Wona shobana Muslim nyamali esabeka esidlula dlodlo ngesakisaka lobamba. Nakunamambala abantu sebapha sebadlulisa usomnandi indaba lahili liphutwa indaba likasomhlolo la iphutha kwaza indaba lobe iphendula kwagena amaguma wasala izimba impahla siyawusala zenza nemakhakamela siyawusala ezibahawula bangaka bemphongophongo longahlwa lithambo ingano yesephula isijingo senvoza uyimbubu yasebeka wasathola lenyathi yethe wena waphakathi angaka bemlisa.
Your Majesty, Umtufo to the second, esteemed Queen Mothers and Chiefs of the Asante, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Your Majesty, allow me to express my heartfelt gratitude for the magnificent banquet you have so graciously hosted in honor of our state visit to Kumasi, Ghana. Since our arrival, we've been deeply touched by the warmth and generosity extended by the leadership and the people of Kumasi. This remarkable hospitality has made us feel truly at home, away from home. We now know why Ghana is affectionately called the land of gold and island of peace. Your people's renowned kindness, friendliness, and welcoming spirit embody the essence of African hospitality. We shall cherish memories of this warmth back to the kingdom of Mswati. We were equally delighted by the gracious reception from His Excellency, the President and the government in Accra. Our discussions explored avenues of deepen the already strong and cordial ties between our nations. The signing of the Joint Bilateral Commission underscores our commitment to collaboration in vital sectors, including education, ICT, health, and agriculture, among others. Our time in Kumasi has offered a profound glimpse into the stories about the great Asante Kingdom. We've been privileged to observe the structures and initiatives dedicated to preserving your rich cultural heritage. The visit to the House of Chiefs was particularly inspiring, as such institutions are vital for harmonizing modernity with the tradition. We urge the House to continue its diligent efforts in safeguarding these invaluable cultural values for future generations. In Eswatini, chiefs hold a revered role, acting as paternally advisors to the king, even though he blesses their appointments to chieftaincy. In addition, when the king travels abroad, there's always a chief accompanying him. He is the eyes and ears of the Queen Mother, chiefs, and the nation as a whole. The visit to the Palace Museum was another highlight, and we commend Your Majesty for preserving the Asante Kingdom's history. This remarkable facility vividly recounts the struggles of your forebears who fiercely protected this nation from colonial oppression. We honor the kings, queen, mothers, and citizens who stood resolute to defend their land and resources. The Grand Dubar we attended yesterday was the pinnacle of our visit. This vibrant celebration of your heritage left an indelible mark on us, and we shall treasure its memory. As Africans, we must steadfastly protect our nationhood and God-given cultural practices, such as the unique dances that reflect the spirit of this great nation. Your Majesty, the visit has reinvigorated the bonds of friendship between our peoples. We face a formidable task in leading our nations to greater heights amidst myriad challenges. Let us strive to foster inclusive environments that uplift all our people, leaving no one behind. Your Majesty, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, please rise and raise your glasses and join me in a toast to the enduring and warm relationship between the Asante Kingdom and the Kingdom of Eswatini, and to His Majesty's good health and long life, as well as peace and prosperity for the people of the Asante and the Republic of Ghana. The Asante.
And together we swell the chorus, Bayeti.
Thank you. May God bless us all. Siabo.
The Lion of the Swazi Nation, mouth that speaks no lie, His Majesty King Mswati III. Wena ngibona nje mnyama kangwane kababa kamahlokotla. Ihle segodoni sayihleka isinyoni. Sihlekele izimandlo sayihlekele zakalomasha. Zathi uyaphemsa kandaba. Nani lemambala livela boyihlo omkhulu uyaluka nje uyinhlabathi olwandle.